Hi there, and welcome to another audio-related video of mine. I say another, but really it's only the second one, so if you did watch the first one, you might recall that I wanted to add a turntable to my current headphone setup. Well, if I'm gonna add a turntable, I'm gonna need a turntable preamp, or rather a phono preamp. So I purchased a Schiit Audio Mani phono preamp. So why don't we open this up and take a look. I already opened the bottom here, cut the tape rather, so I could open this a little quicker, but oh geez, ripped the box. So here we have the owner's manual, pretty straightforward. This is also available on the Schiit Audio website as a downloadable. And then here we have the preamp itself. Looks exactly like all the other Schiit Audio small case components. Oh, this is nice. The rubber feet are already pre-installed. I remember on the Weird and even the larger cased ones, those you had to stick on yourself. And then here we see the various dip switches to control the gain and load settings. It's dependent on what type of cartridge you're running, I guess. Here we have the RCA out, in, grounding lug, power switch, and power port. So why don't we... Oh, and then here we see the wall wart. Pretty straightforward, standard type wall wart. So basically I just want to place this right there. So I also got another set of RCA cables to connect this to the Saga preamp. So let's do that. Okay. So this will be going into the out. These are just those cheap $9 Amazon RCA cables, but they've been working for me, so I don't see a reason to change them. I think for the phono preamp, I'm going to have it go into port 4 since I have my DAC going into port 5. So let me just plug that in real quick. There we go. So now all I needed to do is add a turntable. And speaking of turntables, in my haste to get one, I placed a bid on 2 very similar turntables and ended up winning both of them. So in the next week or so, I'll be receiving one vintage Pioneer PL30 and another vintage Pioneer PL50. So that was kind of a big mistake, but at least I can compare the two and see which one I like better. Maybe upgrade it. I don't know. And then whichever one I don't like, I can end up selling. So that might work out pretty nicely. Well, that's it for this one. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos when I get those turntables. Alright, thanks for checking this out. Later.